concept of the design came from Teddy Petter. Teddy had been working at Westlands for a while and was interested in the specification for an Army Corporation aircraft. He went round and talked to people and formulated the design with Arthur Davenport, his colleague. Transpired that the Lysander was not ideally suited to Army Corporation, being too slow and also too big. It had a very good short takeoff and rough field performance, but it was too slow in the air, too easy to pick off and too easy to see. In the Battle of France, something like 118 of the Lysanders that went to France, and I think there were about 160 in and out quickly. The SOE spent a lot of time training its couriers to be able to mark out suitably sized fields for Lysanders to land. Obviously the terrain was a general concern, but the airfield itself would actually be delineated with 3 torches, 2 forming the line and 1 forming the end of the runway. The aircraft would land and then taxi back to the start point while the passengers were getting ready to get out. And the and a lot of detail that Hugh was able to capture and use in the second edition of the book.
And he was describing to me the sort of
for one journey back from France. And in all, they took 293 agents to France and brought back 410 during the time they were used from early in 1942 right the way through till the invasion in June 1944.